Good more. Hello everyone. So it's been half a year since I've gotten a haircut. My mom keeps telling me to get one cause I look tired and gross and I was like, someone call the police, I'd like to report a murder. But honestly, all moms are programmed to speak the truth. I also get anxious around haircuts cause you never know what could happen. Like when I cut my hair myself with craft scissors, I can take full responsibility for being dumb. Any chaotic stupids watching this video? The seasonal depression is also making me lazy eat. I think it's time to clean up my act. So let's start with a haircut first.
Alright, let's get this glow up bread. I just walked in a circle. I cold. Oh, Jesus. Oops, sorry. Are you okay? Sorry. Oop, that was rude. So hello, I'm back. This is probably the first time that you've heard me talk since the beginning of this video, but this is my haircut. Do you like? What do you think? It looked better after she cut it because I literally just took a nap on it, so I kind of f***ed it up a bit. But that's okay. But I think it looks okay, kind of. I might fix it in a bit. Okay, let's just maybe fix my face a little. I'm just gonna sanitize my hands first, because I hate germs. Oh my god, it's so cold. I went and got some bubble tea after I finished my haircut, because if you're happy and stable and just overall thriving, that's what you would do. Anyways, I'm just gonna shave my face a little. I don't know if you can even see, but there's a little bit of, you know, little bit of hair there. That usually happens when I'm being lazy. Perfect. Now I look even younger than I already look. Hi guys, I'm
baby.
Let me just put a bit of toner on so I don't get any irritation. Ooh, this feels so refreshing. So when I was getting my haircut, my hairdresser said that she does Korean style perms on guys, and I was like, intriguing. How long would that take? And she was like,
2 hours.
And I was like, oh, I woke up like half an hour ago and I still haven't eaten yet, so maybe next time. What do you guys think about that? Do you guys have experience with getting perms at all? Let me know, because I'm very intrigued at the moment. Because honestly, I hate putting product in my hair. It just feels very like gunky and crunchy and gross all the time. Yeah, having a perm would be nice, because then I can have that texture in my hair without doing effort. I'm just gonna use a bit of this too.
Mario's Badassi.
Right in the badassi on my face.
Oh, fuck!
Oh my god, that was excessive. Okay, let me just moisturize this bad boy. I always get dry around like my mouth area. Does that ever happen to anyone? Just because I feel like every time I talk, my mouth like splits open like on the sides. So that's nice and delicious. Also under my nose, I get a lot of nosebleeds in the winter time. One time I was helping a customer, and as I was explaining something, I just started having a nosebleed, and I could tell that it was dripping down my face. And the customer was being really nice and polite and pretending not to notice me with like all the problems in my life. And after I finished talking, I was like, do you need anything else? And she was like, nope, I'm good, you can leave now. And I was like, great. Okay, follow me, little chingus. Oops. I have not made my bed yet. Just pretend that that's not there. Okay, so since I only have one single serotonin in my body right now, I've been kind of stressed out, so breaking out a little bit, as you can see. So we're just gonna cover that up and pretend that everything's okay. Ew, this is nasty. We're just gonna use this old Q-tip and dip into this paste. Just bloop that on there. And then we're gonna blend that in. I'm on the deep end! Have you guys seen Trisha Paytas singing that song yet? At first when I saw her cover it, I was like, I can't tell if this is good or bad. So I sent it to our group chat and they were like,
this is bad.
But maybe my standards are just really low. I don't know actually, because I listen to K-pop, so I feel like I should have high expectations of how well people should sing. Just kidding. I think I just made all that stuff up. I actually don't care too much. Or do I? I can't concentrate right now, sorry. Oh my god guys, it's because I haven't had my coffee yet. Coffee is bae. Don't talk to me before I've had my coffee. Otherwise, I'm like... You know what? I've actually been breaking out a little bit less, to be honest, after I changed up my skincare a little bit. But all of a sudden, I developed like a little bit of a stress rash. Why can't I say that?
Stress rash.
On my forehead. So that's not good. But you know what? I'd rather have that than breakouts. But I have both of those right now. Why can't I just be happy? What is wrong with me? There we go. Perfect. I don't know if it is, but I'm not doing anymore. Just wash my hands. Okay, so the last thing we're gonna do is fill in my brows a little bit, because kind of missing right now. So the brow pencil I'm using is the Kat Von Measles Signature Brow. Say what you want about her, but she makes... This is a good brow pencil. I really like it. Who's talking? This lighting is scaring me. What is going on? Also, so is my face. Hee. Oh my god. Why am I winded? Maybe I should exercise as well. This video is called cleaning up my appearance, so maybe I should clean up my like insides as well. That sounded really messed up.
Dollar, dollar, yeah. I love myself.
Me after putting eyebrows on my face. What do you guys think about ITZY so far? I have listened to that song like 100 and maybe more times. I've basically learned the entire dance, but my body can't physically execute it because not fit enough. So after that, maybe I will find some different clothes to wear. So usually when I pick out clothes, I like to go for comfort. By usually, I mean every single time. So some pants for pants stuff. Can you hear me? I don't have a mic on, so I might be very far away. Also, my back was so itchy, I'm so sorry. See, should we go for like a button-up moment with some pants? How does this look? A lighter color for a button-up moment. Indeed. I think I have too many clothes hanging on here. I think eventually my closet is just gonna collapse, and then I'm just gonna be so shocked in the middle of the night and have a heart attack and die. Yay. Okay, BRB, I'm just gonna change. Hello. So I don't know what I feel. Should I wear a belt, or does this make me look like I'm going to a business meeting? I'm not that kind of guy. I just want to be like a casual guy with hanging out with the bros. Ew. You know what I look like? I look like... Oh, no. I'll be right back. I feel like the belt just made me look kind of weird. Anyways, these pants are like these ankle pants. Sorry. Is this what I want to do? I don't know. Should I also wear contacts? When I don't wear glasses, my eyes look even more dead than they usually do behind glasses. Is that the look we want to go for? Ugh. Yeah. Ugh, so many choices. Or do I want to change my shirt? I also tried to fix my hair. I think I made it worse. So I just had a quick 20-second mental breakdown after I realized I look like the Did It Team guy. So never doing that again. I changed the shirt. This color might look a bit better, but who knows, honestly. I could look the same for all I know. No. On the deep end, watch as I die. Okay, well, I guess the only thing left to do is to...
make a TikTok.
I'm just kidding. Maybe I'll post like an Instagram or something. Or should I make a TikTok? Because this video is going to be called cleaning up my appearance. So how are people supposed to know if I don't post it on social media? You know what I mean, bro. Oh my god, I thought someone was looking at me. So, how was watching that? Probably terrible, right? Alright. So, after taking about like 1,000 pictures, I finally found one photo that I think is good enough. It's this one here. Eek! It's not even that it was the best photo out of all the ones that I took, it's just because I have a funny caption for it. Okay, so we're gonna go to Instagram and let's see, do a few finishing touches on this photo. The more I look at it, the uglier I'm getting, so I'm just gonna post it. Somebody call the police. There! Posted. Cowboy emoji, gun emoji, policeman. Wow. Modern art, eh? Alright, that was a very productive day, if I do say so myself. All I did was get a haircut and post on Instagram. Is this what adulting is? Anyways, thanks for tagging along with me. I hope you enjoyed this little adventure that we had. If you like my content and want to support me, feel free to give this video a like. Leave a little comment too. That just helps in my engagement, and YouTube will be like, hey y'all, watch this guy's video. And that way he'll be able to buy more Mario's Badassi to put on his face. Somebody call the cops. Have a good rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!